Hey guys, we're back with another video with another unboxing from one of the sellers I use on Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. So it did arrive with DHL Express. It took about 3 days to get here. So I already cut it open to make it easier. So with another unboxing. This is kind of like part 2 of the last video that I did. So ordered something from that same seller. I'll leave all the information below in the Instagram. You can go check it out. So yeah, let's get started. So like I said in previous videos, I don't really care for the box. So I didn't get the box because first they take up too much room, and plus they charge extra for shipping once you order the box. So here is the dust bag. I believe that's what they call the name on it right there. So I usually take these off. Just hold on to the dust bag. But the dust bag is pretty good quality. It's like a dark blue font. Yeah, so what we got here we go. I'll poof it up a little bit here. I don't know the name of this. Once I find out, I'll leave it in the description box below or in the title. But this is what we purchased. I just caught like a travel case, makeup case bag. There's the LVs on the bag. Goes all the way around. There. And then there's the side. There's the other side. Let's take the pack wrapping off here. Here's the handle, and it's coming off more red on camera, or orange. It looks orange. It's kind of like a burnt dark orange, maybe a little brown in it, but it's just coming off brighter. It's not that bright in real person. So that's that. Stitching underneath. Overall, this looks really good. Stitching looks good. Canvas looks good. The zipper is smooth, and it has a little magnetic snap underneath. When you open it up, that's what the inside of it looks like. Let's keep all this stuff in. And it's very, very roomy in here. And it's got like the wipeable interior. Here is Louis Vuitton made in France. And a zipper pocket. And inside the zipper pocket you have the date code. There. And also inside the pocket is wipeable with that wipeable interior. The stitching inside looks really good. The zipper is smooth. The hardware on the zipper is the shiny metal. But yeah, I mean, there's put makeup brushes, your makeup, toiletries. Looks really, really good. I'm happy with this. And even on the metal button here has Louis Vuitton, if you can see it. Like I said, I'll be posting pictures at the end. You can get a better look at it. But yeah, really, really happy with this. Quality is really good. It'd be good to take on vacation. Put all your makeup and makeup brushes. Like I said, our toiletries. Zipper is really smooth, super smooth, and the snap works good. Yeah, put some stuff in here to keep its shape, but I am very pleased with this. Very, very pleased. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, the way it's looking now, I might be posting one video a week. We'll see how it's still going. So yeah, so if you have any questions, leave them in the description below and I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. But I do have a full-time job, so it might be until the weekend until I get back to you. But yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you next time. Bye!